Hi everyone, I'm recording today because I got these boxes from Target. I saw them when I walked into the store and I was really excited about these because they have a display on the back of what's actually going to be in the boxes. So I wanted to show you that I got these from Target, and like I said, these were at my local Target for only $7. So I got two of them. This is one box. Let me show you. That is one box. Let me show you the other one. So that is what the second box looks like. So I got these at Target. I'm really excited about opening them up. If you are interested, then keep watching. These were only $7. Okay guys, so here it is. I'm really excited. I know it's gonna ruin my nails because I just got them done. I just did them. The first thing I see here, the first thing I saw was this Natural Glow face palette. It looks really nice, and remember, this box was only $7. Okay guys, this is really hard to open. So this is, it's mirror-like here, as you can see. I'm gonna want to shine it this way and blind you guys, but that's what the front looks like. It has a full-size mirror, very nice full-size mirror. So actually, let me see what this looks like. This one was intriguing me because it looks like a nice highlight color. You might not be able to see it, but it is giving a little highlight, but it's gonna be a very natural one. So that I'm already obsessed about. This is beautiful. You can see there, you can see I can use it as a very light bronzer because I am still fairly fair, haven't tanned yet. And then these two, that's what it looks like. These are actually blushes. Let me show you what that looks like. So that is a blush, that is the bronzer, and then the highlight. And let's see this last one. Oh, this one looks like it's going to be a little more intense. So guys, I'm going to insert a picture so you can see a better look at this, just because it's been really hard for you to see, but they do show up really nice in person. So I'm already really excited if this is the first thing we get. So we'll leave that there. The second thing I see here is this Sonia Kashuk makeup wipe. It only comes with one, it's a single, but it's okay because we can see what and test it out and see what it looks like. So that's what the second thing I got in there. The third thing I see is this full-size Covergirl mascara. I'm really excited about trying this out, just because I haven't found a great drugstore mascara that I absolutely love. Ooh guys, I'm really excited about this, although you can't see it yet. Okay, it's this e.l.f. Beautiful Bare Blending Brush. I have a lot of e.l.f. brushes and they're incredible for the price. So this looks like to be a full-size one, and it is a blending brush. So I'm really excited about this one. Yay guys, this box is so worth it. Oh, it's so soft. I didn't expect it to be this soft. I know they have some of the other collections that are really soft, but this one's really soft, so I can't wait to use this. Okay guys, the next thing I see here is by Honest Beauty. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm really excited about this. And I love having travel size makeup wipes, just because my husband and I do travel so often. So I'm really excited to try these out and let you know how these work. The next thing I see is by Dove, and it is a dry shampoo. Guys, one thing I don't do is use these dry shampoos. I've been using them so frequently, especially my Play by Sephora. So let me know how you like them and see how they work for you. So I'm really excited about this one, and my hair is actually pretty oily right now, just because I haven't washed it. So I'm going to try this out before I wash my hair tonight and let you know in the comments how it worked for me. So I'm excited, and lately it seems like coconut's taking over. I feel like everything smells like coconuts. Not the biggest fan of the smell of coconut, but we'll see how that works and smells. And then lastly, it's this bad boy here. These I actually like to wear on top of my deodorant, my Dove deodorant. So I do wear my regular Dove deodorant, and then I spray this over it just to help with the smell throughout the day. But I never use these individually, so I don't know how they would work like that, just because I do sweat very much. I walk a lot on a daily basis, and I usually don't want to just wear this spray. So I usually put the spray after I put my deodorant. I do actually own one of these, but it's the pink bottle, and I really do enjoy this very much. Okay guys, as you can see here, these are all my products that I got for $7. And I do see that they also threw in this card here that lets you know what everything is and what comes in the box. Then what I thought was incredible is they went ahead and gave us these coupons. So if you got this, you can use these coupons at the store if you liked any of these items to go and buy it, purchase them for yourself. So guys, I think that it's really well worth it. And remember, this box is the Wake Up to Makeup. It's the pink one. I say if you see this in the store, I would definitely go pick it up. It was only $7 for all those products. So let me know what you think. But oh, sorry, that was my phone. Okay, let me know what you think, because I think that's an incredible deal. I actually like this box so much that I'm tempted to get a second one, just because of how great of quality it was in there. Alright guys, I'm going to do the next one in another video, so if you're interested in seeing what's in the Treat Yourself box, the link will be down below. So let me know if this was helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Until next time, bye!